Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best locker essentials out there, U-Brand's Locker Organizer and Decorating Kit. Whether you're heading back to school or looking to add some style and functionality to your locker, this 11-piece kit is a game changer. Let's start with the basics. This kit comes in a stunning gold finish, which gives it a chic, modern look that will instantly transform your locker into a stylish oasis. The kit includes everything you need to keep your locker neat and organized. Inside, you'll find a sturdy locker shelf that can hold up to 25 pounds, giving you plenty of space to store your books and supplies. This shelf is 12.6 inches by 12.8 inches by 10.24 inches, making it a perfect fit for most standard lockers. But that's not all. You also get a magnetic mirror, which is perfect for quick touch-ups. Measuring 4.8 inches by 6.5 inches, it's compact enough to fit in your locker but large enough to make a real difference. Along with the mirror, there's a magnetic cup for storing pens, pencils, or whatever else you need to keep handy throughout the day. At 2.25 inches by 4.8 inches by 3.6 inches, it's the ideal size for small items that tend to get lost in the clutter. If you like to jot down reminders or notes, the dry erase board included in this kit is a must-have. It's 5 inches by 7 inches, giving you enough space to leave messages, to-do lists, or inspirational quotes that will keep you motivated. Plus, it comes with a dry erase marker, so you're all set from the get-go. And let's not forget the 6 magnets. These are super handy for attaching photos, reminders, or whatever else you want to display in your locker. The magnetic features of this kit really make it customizable, allowing you to arrange everything in a way that works for you. Now, I know you might be thinking, how durable is this kit? Well, it's built to last. The materials are sturdy, ensuring that the accessories stay in place, and they'll hold up well through the school year, no problem. Plus, it's designed by U-Brands, a company known for creating stylish and practical office and school products. The U-Brand's Locker Organizer Kit is more than just functional, it's a way to express your personal style. You can mix and match this kit with other U-Brand's locker accessories to create a cohesive look that's uniquely yours. The gold accents add a touch of elegance, making it not just an organizer but a statement piece in your locker. So, if you're ready to revamp your locker and add some style and organization, this kit is definitely worth checking out. It's the perfect combination of fashion and function, and you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome product reviews. See you in the next video.